Number of COVID infections worldwide is speeding towards 60 million, with over 1.4 million deaths. As countries rush to secure vaccines, Britain moved to relax travel restrictions. Britain is shortening the 14-day quarantine period for people arriving from overseas from next month. Those from COVID-safe countries will spend less time in confinement if they test negative 5 days after arriving. The move is aimed at reviving the travel industry, but doubts remain.
There are some people who will find it easy to quarantine for 5 days on their return, but many people can't, and they also may not be able to afford it, especially if they're a family of 4. It could cost hundreds of pounds for them to get a private test after 5 days.
Prime Minister Boris Johnson, meanwhile, expressed hope that all high-risk Britons could be vaccinated by Easter, following positive results from pharmaceutical firm AstraZeneca. Britain has recorded 1.5 million cases and over 55,000 deaths. The World Health Organization applauded the AstraZeneca vaccine while continuing to monitor its efficacy and safety. As part of the global distribution initiative COVAX, the jabs will be sold to low and middle-income countries at cost price. The Spanish government has vowed to vaccinate a very substantial part of the population in the first half of next year. This came as bars and restaurants in the Catalonian region resumed dine-in service as the COVID situation stabilized in Europe's second worst-hit nation. Brazilian health authorities have started clinical studies for a Chinese-made vaccine in Sao Paulo state after gathering enough infection data. But it's unclear whether the jabs will be included in a national inoculation program because of doubts raised by President Jair Bolsonaro.